Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron the Barong. Prepare your ironing station with a clean ironing board and a steam iron set to a low, delicate setting. Ensure your Barong is clean and slightly damp. This helps in smoothing out wrinkles effectively. Always use a pressing cloth to protect the delicate fabric from direct heat, preventing shine or damage. Focus on the main body, gently pressing out wrinkles from the bottom upwards. Remember to keep the iron moving to prevent scorching. For the sleeves, lay them flat and iron from the shoulder down, ensuring a crisp finish without sharp creases. Carefully iron around any intricate embroidery to avoid flattening or damaging the delicate details. Once ironed, immediately place your Barong on a padded hanger. This helps maintain its pristine condition and prevents new wrinkles from forming. Store it in a breathable garment bag to protect the delicate fabric from dust and damage, ensuring it's ready for your next special occasion. Avoid folding it for extended periods to preserve its elegant shape. To keep your Barong looking its best, always spot clean any small stains right away with a mild detergent. For a deeper clean, hand washing or professional dry cleaning is recommended to preserve the delicate fabric and embroidery. And speaking of keeping things clean, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home cleaning routine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.